Hello and welcome to this video in the Microsoft Ads training series. Today we will be creating our very first search campaign. We're taking the first steps to advertising our business in front of 5.5 billion potential searches every single month. I am incredibly excited that you chose to take this journey with me, and I hope to provide you with the best training on the internet. Before we get started with the training video, I wanted to remind everyone to subscribe to the channel. I put out a video every single day to build your knowledge in advertising, marketing, Shopify, and dropshipping. I do this absolutely free of charge. I also host a live call every Thursday night for the Facebook group, where I give away a 1-hour consulting call. By subscribing, you are helping this channel reach more people and build out the revenue required to keep producing these videos for you. Thank you so much for clicking through. I hope you enjoy the video. We're going to be creating our very first ads today, so we want to click on Campaigns in the navigation bar and the Create Campaign button in the center of the screen. The objective of this campaign is to have people visit your website. As you can see, there are many different options to choose from, and we will discuss those in another video. Inside of this training series, we will be focusing on visits to my website and conversions on my website. Click Visits to my website. This will take you to the campaign creation page. For campaign name, I would suggest you put either your company name or brand bidding as the campaign name. Our individual budget is going to be $1 per day. Under location, select the country or countries you're targeting. My company focuses only in the United States, so I will go to Let Me Choose Specific Locations, type in United States, click Search, and target the United States as a country. For who? We select people in our targeted location. Then language. We want to select the primary language of your ad and website. So if you're English, select English. If you're French, select French. Click Save and go to the next step. This will take us to the ad groups and keywords section of our campaign. We need to put our website URL on the top and name our ad group. Again, I would suggest the brand name or using the term brand bidding for the ad group. Now, we need to enter the keywords we're focusing on. To this point, I haven't discussed the purpose of this campaign. Today, we're adding a campaign that will only focus on bidding for keywords that are an exact match to our brand or company name or common typos to the company name. I'll use my name as an example. For Humanick Marketing, I would put the following keywords: Humeniuk Marketing, Humenuik Marketing and Advertising, Humeniuk Advertising, Humeniuk Ads, and Humenuik. And I would use all the common misspellings of my last name, and you'll come up with about 16 different ads because there's 4 pretty simple misspellings of my last name, and there's 4 different secondary words I was using, so 16 different options. So these are just some common misspellings of my last name and the way people might search for my website. This is the goal of this campaign. Why? What happens if someone searches your company name on the search engine and you don't show up? Are you trustworthy? What if a direct competitor shows up before you and has a compelling message? All the marketing you did to get someone interested was all for your competition. This ensures that you're showing up on the search engine no matter how your SEO is set up. On to the next page. Time to create an ad for our brand bidding campaign. Click the plus Create Ad. Title 1 and 2 are required, 3 is optional. My suggestion for brand bidding is this: Title 1, brand name. Title 2, marquee product or service. Title 3, it's optional, some kind of claim or guarantee. For me, this would look something like Humenik Marketing, digital marketing education, and free for life. Ad text 1 and 2 is your opportunity to give a quick elevator speech, 170 characters or less total. So I would put for ad text 1, sick of spending money on low quality and outdated training with no support. Join today and receive up-to-date training on all platforms, absolutely free forever. I don't have a different mobile landing page, so I don't put mobile URL. Click save and we are done here. Scroll to the bottom and click save and go to the next step. This step is going to go over the bidding for our ad. For brand bidding, we're going to use manual bids, and I typically put a bid cap of 25 cents. You'll need to adjust the budget as you scale, but when you first start off, the point is to show up at the top when someone searches you. Unless you're pushing out hundreds of dollars a day to start, you won't need as much of a budget here. Over time, this budget will increase and your visibility increases as well. Click save and you have set up your first campaign. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more daily advertising, marketing, Shopify, and dropshipping training. In the next video, we'll be setting up your tracking code on your website. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.